Hello all you wonderful people, Mad Mick here. Just been released after their launch of the 350T yesterday. I'm bringing you a brand new video of the 350T air filter, either clean or change video. It's got Chinese subtitles, because obviously it's only just been released. So as you can see, the actual air filter is on the side of the bike. When he took the panel off, he took the cabling off there with a sticky pad on the back. That was for the antenna, for the key, for your key for the bike, so the antenna knows that you're actually there. That's where they place it. A few wires to move out of the way, which slot in position afterwards. By the way, that's not my breathing in the background, by the way. I know I'm old, but that's not my breathing. Right, as you can see, all Zonta's motorbike air filters come with like a little strap at the front that you can just prise out, and you wiggle the strap and it pulls the air filter out. Come on boy, you can do it. Here we go. And just come in, just wiggle it out. There you go. So now you can check your air filter, clean it, replace it, whatever. As you can see there, just putting a bit of engine oil on the side, it allows it to easily come out and go in. If you don't put that engine oil on the side, you're going to have a hell of a time getting the air filter out. So yeah, crack on with that and put some oil on the side. That's for all Zonta's motorbike, slide-in air filters. So now he's just putting the bike back together again. The cover plate there with screws for the cover plate. Just been released, wow. The bike was only launched yesterday in China, soon to come to Europe within 2 or 3 months after the Euro spec conformity check being done. And now the wire cables, you see the junction boxes there slot into certain positions, and then you move the wires. That looks beautiful. And now the actual antenna goes on the back of the side panel. Top right of the side panel, they have to fix it into a located lug there, as it's doing. Once it's fixed that in location, you can then lock the top in, place you just push them in, locked in position. Then he puts a push pin on the top. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications so you don't miss out on the latest news. This is Mad Mick signing off.